Yeah, so we're gonna do exercise 3 today. So this is the exercise 3, and we have certain instructions to follow. Uh, so yeah, I've saved my file in local disk C. Just have to go here and go to users, my PC, and Eclipse workspace. Go inside database master, database source. So this is a test 3 code which we are gonna explain today, and we're going to execute the code today. To click here and type cmd, and so yeah, command prompt will get open. You can just check the directory ones, and yeah, the rest test 3 Java file over here. So I'm going to explain the test 3 Java file by each line. So yeah, these are the import files which are necessary import statements for classes used in the code, including classes from the java.sql package for database interactions. Then this one over here, this part defines a test3 class and declares several static variables used throughout the program to manage database connections and statements. So this is the main method and the entry point of the programs. So these codes are nothing but there is a string named as sequence 11. So we just name it over here, and we use SQL sequence level, I mean 11, to drop the existing student table, and we use sequence 12 to create a new existing student table if there is no student table column in it. And this one, these four lines are nothing but these are the SQL statements for inserting data into the student table with placeholders for values, that is sequence 13. Inserting specific data directly, we use sequence 14, and to update the data we use sequence 15, and to delete the data from the student table we use sequence 16. This is the code. So we're gonna delete Changlu code over here. So then this code enters a try catch block to handle potential exceptions. This is the this is the code which is used to print in the console. So in CMD it will just print select a table and then print out this content. Then this one. So yeah, this establishes the connection to MySQL database named TestDB on the local server using JDBC that specifies the server address, time zone settings, and login credentials. Then moving on, excuse me. Yeah, these three lines over here are the statement object for executing SQL queries. They execute the SQL statements, that is sequence 11, which drops the table if exist, and sequence 12 to create a new table using the execute update method. So then moving on, these lines, the blocks prepares and executes an SQL statement, insert statement, that is sequence 13, that is SQ13, with parameter placeholders. It uses a prepared statement to set the values for these parameters. So, and this code this is a line to execute an SQL insert statement, that is sequence 14 directly. Yeah, this is the main step over here where that is result set, which is used to see all the result. So these lines execute a select statement to retrieve data from the student table, and then called the write result set method to print the results. And moving on, like these three code of lines are the block deletes data using the SQL delete statement for sequence 16, that is SQ16, retrieves and prints the updated data in the console, that is in CMD. So, and then these are the simple codes, that is print statement after the delete statement is executed, and the statement is execute update sequence 16. And next one is result set statement execute query select from student, so write result sets will be displayed over here. So these codes are the final codes where we this catch block, yeah, this catch block handles exceptions by printing error messages to the console. The finally block ensures that database resources are closed properly, and the finally we just close the statement. So this is how the Java 3 file is. So we can just try executing it in the command prompt once. So we have to compile it first. So we've just put the name of the file over here, that is test3.java. Then we're gonna run the code. So we have to remove .java, remove the C in Java. Give enter. So yeah, it's running successfully. So this is the code initially, and the after updated statement is executed. The print result from the table is, yeah, this is the table ID one name Shanglu 23. So over here, the difference is in first code, that is the initial table. The address was 123 New Street, Troy, MI. This is the code. So in the after updating, 123 New Main Street was updated. So the new word is extra over here. So this is the updated statement. So the second one is the same. And after the delete statement is executed, so we have deleted the first table, that is Shanglu. So the Shanglu has been deleted, and only the ID2 table is there. So that is name with John, Leo, and address is this one, and status is junior. So this is it for today. Thank you.